Okay, so my washing machine is broken and my mum is scooping all goo out of it. And it's packed, coming out the bottom, coming out from there. A really beautiful day as well. Like, really. Look, got a lovely blossom tree starting to blossom. And then you come inside and it's the worst day on earth. We're using a pan from the dustpan and brush to empty this out. I am not participating in this because it is horrendous. It's come off your rug. So we tried to wash a rug from the washing machine and I don't think the rug liked it. I either did the washing machine. Don't pour it down the drain. It will clog the drain.
God.
Okay. No.
I told you not to film it. You asked me and I said no.
Now I'm opening the door.
Did you really say that? I did say no, didn't I? I don't know.
Ew! He walked straight past me with it.
Oh my god, look at the price on my finger.
That bit there. It's just on my mum's finger. Oh, jeez. Oh. Yep, Dad, work it. Get it all in there.
Yeah, can you take my phone out of my pocket and put it on the table?
Yep. Okay, guys, this is probably going to be the weirdest YouTube video ever put on YouTube. And the grossest. My dad's hiding for dear cover. But look at the washing machine. It's just gone oof. Dad's working it again. Hey Dad, let me have a quick look up there. Yeah. This is all my beautiful mum doing it. I'm zoomed in too far. Ew, it just splashed on my leg!
I need to sit straight. Oh, what in gamma.
We can tell by that. We can tell. Camera. I can't believe this.
What happens in life is...
No, I mean I can't believe that you just got me wet.
Yeah. Stuff like that happens to you.
Let's have a break from that horridness and take a few pictures in front of the blossom tree. Ouch! Where's the blossom tree? Okay, I think that's all for now. We've got a garden. It's got loads of trees in the back. This is a tree as well. I don't like it. Get out. Okay, let's go checking on the parents. Okay, they're screwing it all back together with their bare hands. Great idea, Dad. Let's just zoom in on that. Okay, I can have them. Had it fixed, but my dad decided it was a good idea.
It wasn't fixed. That's why it's done it again.
Yeah, but it wasn't on F05.
Yeah, but it to see if it worked, and it didn't work.
Got lovely painting back there. We are filming this video at... Dad, where's your phone?
It's almost 6 o'clock.
Almost 6 o'clock. 6 p.m. It is going to be my aunt's birthday. So she is turning 40. Shout out to you. And that's sort of it. You've just been watching. What happened to the lighting?
Pull it out and pour the rest of it.
Sorry?
Pull it out and pour the rest of it.
Yeah. Should we pour this out?
What are you going to pour out?
The washing machine.
Can we watch this? We need to watch this. Ready? Dad, it's good YouTube content. Yep. My cat is also scared. Hi!
Right, oh, mate. If I was busting around there with a photo.
Sorry, we had a couple technical difficulties. I couldn't show that bit on YouTube. Oh, it seeped through. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's wet.
There's no point doing that because we're going to pull it out and it's all going to...
Yeah, I know. I'm just reducing the amount that's going to go open.
Okay.
Oh, I'm going to sit down in the chair for this because this is absolutely rank.
Oh my god, why didn't I think about pulling it out like that?
You can't touch your drum. You have to touch the frame of the washing machine.
Earlier I was like, just pulling it.
Okay, so
Maybe you're moving the carrot away, please.
I am. I'm moving to a safer distance. No way, fabulous me is getting all of that.
Right, you need to do that thing again under the sink.
Not
Yeah,
fabulous
Take the
thing.
thing off this time.
Why? You should see if there's a blockage in that pipe.
Ooh.
This is the in pipe. It's not going to be blocked in pipe. It's going to be blocked in that out pipe.
Mum, I'm zooming in on the lemonade and Coca-Cola, but now we're zooming in on a dirty patch on Dad's t-shirt.
This has a valve on it.
Yes, that's my dad's t-shirt.
See where this pipe goes in? This has a valve on it, which means water can only travel one way through it. So this is definitely not going to be blocked. Because nothing can go that way. It's impossible.
There we go, your birds in the feeder.
Oh, are they?
Content.
Mama, that would have been great. I'm sitting next to
Keep flying around.
baked
Okay,
beans. Yeah.
We did it earlier. We can do it again.
Okay.
To come out now. Wait the towel.
I need to go back because I'm pulling in
Yeah,
the pipes.
go back.
So I need to go back and do it more. Okay.
No, my YouTube subscribers are not here to watch this. Oh, look at the colour of that. Is that brown? I've come closer. I regret this dearly.
Amelia, is that just one long video you're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah. On my phone?
Yeah.
No.
It's only 9 minutes. Oh, it's nearly 10. Oh no. So I think I'm going to leave this growth video here because that is gross. And if you was about to have dinner, I am so sorry. I've probably put you off your appetite.
I'm going to need a bucket.
Well,
The bucket.
I'm going to need something
bye then.
bucket.
Smaller.
Bye, Amy Squad.